Such a peaceful morning, huh? Perfect for a little adventure. That doesn't feel right. Something. I can feel it.
What is that?
Whoa, that's huge. We have to stop him.
Let's move, now!
We have to help the land, now! Let's move together!
Stay sharp, Pen!
Got it!
We move together!
Hold on, Pen! Incoming! Quack blast! Hold on, Pen! Incoming! Quack blast!
The crystal! He's taken it! Frostina!
We have to save her! Crystal, huh?
Let's find it!
It's not just destruction. Something's controlling him.
Then we'll need more than speed. We think ahead. We're close! We have to save her!
No turning back now.
It's huge, but we can do this, Pen!
Stay sharp. We move together. Whoa! Careful!
Watch the swing!
Incoming! Quack blast now! Careful! One wrong step.
Relax! I've got style. Not strong enough.
Don't worry, I've got your back. Hold steady! This is getting fun!
Thanks! That was close!
No time to thank me. Keep moving! Stay behind me, Pen! Got it! You're amazing, Bao! We move together! Got it! Let's keep it tight! There's a rhythm!
I see it!
Good eyes! Let's use it!
Now, Pen!
Quack blast ready! Let's wobble him!
We're ready! Together!
Let's show him what teamwork can do! Hold steady, Pen! Got this! We've got this! Keep moving! Watch your step! Follow my lead!
I've got you, Pen!
Thanks, Bao! Let's keep moving! It's not your fault. We can help. Hang on, big guy. We've got you. This is what's hurting you.
So that crystal's the real problem.
It's not him. It's the crystal. We just need to help it. Then he'll be okay. We're not here to fight you. Take it easy. We're on your side. It's okay. We're here to help. Relax. We've got you. We've got it. Just a little more. Careful, steady, almost there. It's free, and so is he. Everything's coming back to life. Look, he's okay now. We did it together.
Thank you!
Everything's back to life.
Look at this place! Amazing! Thank you, friends!
Balance is restored.
We're all friends now!
Right. No more trouble.
Thank you, friends!
Peace has returned. Let's help everything grow again. We've got this, team.
I can help too! We missed you, Frostina! The village is safe again.
Happy to be part of this.
Thank you both for everything.
That was quite the adventure.
We make a pretty good team, huh?
Indeed, friends.
Look how much the world has grown.
We really made a difference.
I will keep it safe from now on. Ready for whatever comes next?
Always! Let's go!
Take care, heroes.
The world is in good hands.